My name's Bill Haynes. I'm with Maxitrol Company, and we're here at the PHCC Connect 2025. And we're bringing out our regulators to show everybody. Well, for our products, it would be the line regulator, where you take the 2 or 5 pound inlet pressures and dropping it down to appliance pressure for whatever appliance you're feeding with that regulator. It allows for smaller piping. The whole structure is flooded with the 2 pounds of pressure versus a low pressure system. You need larger piping for more volume control. So you can use smaller pipes, save you a little money there. Just drop one of these regulators in front of each appliance. We are kind of synonymous with this product in the market. We invented them, so we are the guys for this kind of application. 2 different trainings for regulators. We do the one for our 325 series. It's a bread and butter product. Line regulators for 2 and 5 pound applications. Or I have a general overview of all of our regulators where I have our poppets for commercial cooking applications, our 210 series for boiler applications. So a little bit of everything. We talk about standards, we talk about the vent limiters, vent protectors. COVID, we did a lot of online stuff, and I can still do that, but I prefer doing it in person.